Hello, this is a short video presentation on dividing polynomials. The method that we use is extremely similar, if not identical, to what you did in elementary school. So let's start off looking at a simple example of 271 divided by 11. We did the problem like this: 271 inside divided by 11. 11 goes into 27 twice, and then we multiplied 2 times 11. Now, the only difference is most of you don't write this 22 down. You just keep it in your mind, and you subtract, and you write down the result of the subtraction, 51. But it's very important in polynomial division that we multiply, that we write down the product when we multiply. All right, now 11 goes into 51 4 times. 4 times 11 is 44. Again, write that down. We subtract, and we have 7 as a remainder. So our answer, 24 remainder 7, or 24 and 7/11. And this is how we're going to write our answer now. So the same idea over here. We have x minus 5 and we have 8x to the 4th minus 42x cubed plus 4x squared plus 25x plus 16. Be neat. I know that this isn't really neat, but this is really easy to do. It's also very easy to make mistakes. All right, now here we said 11 goes into 27. How many times? We're going to say x goes into 8x to the 4th. How many times? And it goes in 8x cubed. We always line up our like terms, so everything should line up nicely here. 8x cubed, and then we took the 2 times the 11, we multiplied. We take the 8x cubed and distribute it times the x minus 5. So we get 8x to the 4th minus a 40x cubed. And then, do it this way, we subtract. When we subtract, we just change the signs and add. The 8x to the 4th, the minus 8x to the 4th cancel. They always will cancel. Negative 42 and 40 is minus 2x cubed. We bring down this, plus 4x squared, and we repeat. We're just going to keep repeating the process. X into negative 2x cubed is minus 2x squared. We multiply, distributing, negative 2x squared times x, negative 2x cubed. Negative times negative is positive, positive 10x squared. And we are going to subtract. We change our sign when we subtract. This becomes a positive and a negative. Those cancel. And we have negative 6x squared. Bring this down. Plus 25x. Repeat. Minus 6x. A negative 6x times x is negative 6x squared. We distribute. Negative times negative is positive. And we subtract once again. When we subtract, remember we change our signs. These cancel. 25x, negative 30x, minus 5x And lastly, we bring down the 16, and we have plus 16. Minus 5 goes into the negative 5x. We have negative 5x plus 25. And our last line that we're going to draw, and we change the sign when we subtract. This becomes a positive and a negative. And, whoops, stay consistent with my colors. These guys will cancel, as always. 16 and a negative 25 is minus 9. So the answer is minus 9 over x minus 5. Total answer then is 8x cubed minus 2x squared minus 6x minus 5 minus 9 over x minus 5. Your answer should look like that. Circle it, highlight it, do whatever you need to do, but that's what the answer will look like. All right, we're going to look at one more example, and for a very important reason. We're going to divide x to the fourth minus 12x squared, so on, by x plus 4. And we write our x to the fourth, but we notice there's no cubed. So we'll write 0x cubed minus 12x squared plus 18x plus 8. All right, it's very important that you always account for every term. Okay? Don't just write x squared next to here, to an x to the fourth. You will get confused. All right, now I'm going to do this a little differently. The answer, I'm going to write here after I pause the video. I want you to pause the video, do the problem, and if you have the right answer, which I'm going to write in a second, no need to watch the rest of the video. All right, you paused it and you did the problem, right? Okay, the answer is x to the third minus 4x squared plus 4x plus 2. In this problem, there was no remainder. All right, if you're done, if you got the right answer, you're all done. Otherwise, please watch the rest of the video. All right, x goes into x to the fourth, x cubed times x, x to the fourth plus 4x cubed. Draw a line, and we subtract. When we subtract, we change the signs. These cancel. 0 and a negative 4 is minus 4x cubed minus 12x squared. Again, we always bring that down. You don't have to draw the line. X goes into minus 4x cubed to minus 4x squared. And we multiply, remembering to distribute, 4x to the third minus 16x squared. And again, it's just a lot of repetition here. A lot of repetition. Erase that ugly line. Let's see here. All right. We subtract, change the signs. These cancel as always. Negative 12 and positive 16 is 4x squared plus 18x, bringing this 18x down. And x goes into 4x squared plus 4x times multiply 4x squared, and we distribute plus 16x. And we change the sign when we subtract. These cancel. 18 minus 16 is 2x, plus we bring down the 8, and we're almost done. X goes into 2x 2 times. We distribute, and we get 2x plus 8. Oops. And we subtract one last time. Changing the signs, these cancel, the remainder is 0. So we write nothing, and our final answer is right here. All right, I hope this helped. Have a great day.